So today's event we've been running it for some time, every year, but we're really proud to have Amazon Web Services partnering up with us today. It's really important to really invest in sort of future leaders, but give everyone the opportunity to sort of really network and get themselves out the workplace, because everyone's on burnout and it's like a lot going on, and get themselves out the workplace and really thinking about, like, today is about thinking about you, your career, and where you want to go to next, and making sure you're happy in that space.
Today's Future Leaders Conference has been powerful. Over 100 ethnically diverse professionals gathered in one place to build a network, to become a support group, to also be a safe space. It's been powerful. It's been a long time, especially with COVID, since I've been in a room with people who look like me, who come from similar backgrounds, and who are all passionate about leading in their careers.
I thought it was a really good event, really well structured, and I enjoyed sort of the interactivity of the breakout sessions. Kind of helped me step out of my comfort zone with networking.
From speaking to some of the people, it really seemed like this event exceeded their expectations. So it was really, really encouraging to see. Being a part of it, being able to support it, get to know some of the participants as well has been really, really great for me as well. So taking a lot away from them, taking a lot away from the presenters. So overall, I think it's been a really great event.
Have something that is inclusive in a different way, because the ways we normally look at stuff, and to see AWS doing that is really great.
So I think AWS bring everyone together here and show how much we care, how much we want to invest, how much we want to give back to the community, and then be the leader in ID&E and bring everyone together with us in this journey.
So inclusive conversations are not only important internally, but also with our customers and partners. And we're having these conversations because we want to change the narrative. Not only change the narrative, but also define it.